When we really think about it, we have a lot to be grateful for, if we really think about it. And I learned that when I was on my hiking trail. I stopped complaining and I started being grateful, and I started looking like this. This was one of my hikes, about 2,500 feet elevation, upstate New York. And that was when, I forget the name of that bridge, but that was Anthony's Nose. You can Google it, very popular hiking trail. And what I loved about this particular hiking trail was that as soon as you get to the entrance of the hiking trail, the rocks are super large, and you have to like really start putting in that work for like 30 minutes until you reach the top, and then it plateaus and smooths out for a while before that happens again. And so we did that for a couple of cycles, and then here I am at the top. This was on the top of a hike. We reached the top, and then there was this tower, and we had to climb the tower to get this view, this background view here. So here's the thing about it. Being grateful changes everything. Because you can look at everything from 2019 and you can say, you know what, I made it through that. 2020, we're keeping our eye on our new vision, and we can say that even though challenges are coming, even though obstacles will arise, they're part of making me who I need to be, so that I can be the leader that I'm called to be, to impact the people that I'm called to impact. And that way you can leave your mark, you can leave your print, your story will touch somebody else's life, and you'll never know how deep of an impact you'll make. I have a song I want to dedicate to you guys before we officially wrap up. So this song is a dedication to each of you. Can someone turn the lights off?
Great news for you and your family. You can get both an unlimited plan
and the powerful new iPhone 11.
included for just $35 a month when you switch.
Well, what a deal.
Now that's a way to take it to another level.
All right, listen to the words.
Somebody's life.
I was here. Say, I was here. I was here. I am here. I am here. I am here. And I'm going to make it. I'm going to walk in my vision. In 2020. With clarity. With purpose. With intention. With courage. With resilience. With support. With vulnerability. And with power. I am here. Give yourselves a round of applause.
All right. Did you all cry at that? When they first played me that, they had like pictures of me doing stuff, and I got all emotional. Yeah, but it's a good video. So the lunch is on their way here. The guys are going to actually, our facilities crew are going to actually move the tables in the back for us for the etiquette, so don't mind them. I want to thank Jessica. This is third year. I met her actually through the guy who's actually going to speak this afternoon, around Moody, and she's very empowering. I think she gives you a lot to think about. Her story is unique and great. Her sons are here in the front row. They can tell you more about her story than I can. She's also, like I've been saying about a lot of the people that have been presenting, I just want to make sure the guys get to do that. A lot of people that have been presenting that she's a great tangential mentor. She stays in touch with people using the social media. I see that. What's amazing after the winter workshops are over is I get to watch social media for the next couple of weeks and see students from Hostos Community College or students who are at the winter workshops communicating with all of the speakers that came here. And I'm proud of those accomplishments because that's great. That means that you've connected and that you now have a tangential mentor who can actually support you in all of the things that you're working on as you pursue your career. So, lunch is on its way. It's not here yet. We're gonna kick this off. And who's lady? Whose lady is the host? But let's give Jessica one more round of applause.